Hello everyone, welcome to this webinar by Smart Street AI Panchayat. This webinar is conducted by TechHans AI Consulting Private Limited, and this is a series of webinar where we are covering various topics. The main theme of the webinar is responsible AI in the AI era, and today we are looking at responsible AI in enterprise and IT services. And before we begin, I just want to make sure we are clear. Every content in this webinar is generated by AI. It's a human-AI collaboration. And in future, we are also looking to see how we can use agentic AI framework or AI agents to conduct this some part or partial or fully webinar. It's like a human-AI collaboration again, but it should be automated. So let's get started. Today, we are looking at, if you see the infographic here, it's talking about the roadmap to responsible AI from risk to competitive advantage. Now, the topic is slightly not having the heading, but it is for enterprise IT and services. So the four core pillars it talks about, right? It's technical robustness, legal compliance, environmental sustainability, and proactive innovation. So these are all four core pillars of responsibility. And then 9 operational enablers. If you see, it talks about governance, which is accountability, life cycle management, which is risk mitigation, and foundation, which is privacy and security. And on the bottom left-hand side, if you see the context, right? Bridging the responsibility gap. So how do you do that? Rapid innovation outpace safety benchmarks, right? Creating a responsibility gap. Shift from viewing ethical AI as a compliance cost to leveraging AI integrity as a strategic competitive differentiator. So we will cover all of this as we go forward. It will get more clear. So let's start by a short audio which is generated by AI on this responsible AI in enterprise and IT services.
This is the brief on how ethical AI creates a measurable competitive advantage. Rapid AI innovation is kind of outpacing safety benchmarks right now, leaving enterprises exposed to unmanaged risks like data breaches and opaque decisions, making ethical governance a strategic imperative rather than just a compliance box. So, how do we transform algorithmic liability into a literal competitive edge? First, managing algorithmic bias to reduce enterprise liabilities and build trust. The market's actually shifting to AI integrity, because eliminating bias brings measurable bumps in fairness scores, while transparent decisions drastically reduce escalation rates. Honestly, deploying AI without ethical integrity is like driving a race car without brakes.
Let me first share this. Before we begin, we will do a quick, as the topic is enterprise and IT services, we will look at TechHans AI. Let me just share the screen. So this is techhansai.in, and what we do here is mostly AI consulting, AI academy, which are the two core pillars, and around that is analytics and automation. So when you go to the homepage, we actually talk about the Hans values, which is about humility, adaptability, neutrality, and simplicity. So we follow these principles, and we do have a Smart Street AI framework. So if you look at it, this is the Smart Street AI Academy LMS, which is conducting the webinar. We have also started Smart Street AI Wisdom. You will see more and more things coming out of that. Smart Street AI Panchayat is the name of the webinar series which we have given, where we want to bring the community dialogue on AI and tech. Smart Street AI Labs, this is the one which we started long time back, and right now we are not looking at any type of build, but in future we are definitely looking at some kind of a platform. Smart Street AI Consulting, Smart Street AI Analytics, Smart Street AI Automation is the foundation of what we do. And then we also have Smart Street AI Community, which I will talk more in our next webinar. So when you go here, we have something called AI for Business. Transform your business with AI. And you can see the Smart Street AI line of business, which talks about consulting, analytics, automation, and academy. And we have some information here, what exactly we do, little bit more details on what this AI advisor for business mean, AI insights for business, AI workflow for business, and AI workshop for business. So we are pursuing all this here. And then there is a short video introduction on AI for business by Smart Street AI, which is part of TechHans AI Consulting Private Limited. So here we have some more information on TechHans AI services. We have a monthly starter pack which you can look at, and we work with the business who are looking to take these services. So we have some discovery questionnaire for AI consulting, for AI skilling, and AI staffing.
Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into what is, without a doubt, the single biggest strategic hurdle facing the C-suite right now: responsible AI. Look, if you're an enterprise leader, you already know the stakes. But get this. Did you know that mismanaged AI risks actually derail way more projects than actual technical failures? It's true. So we're not just going to talk about mitigating that risk today, we're going to lay out a real, actionable blueprint for transforming that risk into a massive competitive advantage. We're going to break down exactly how you build trustworthy enterprise systems for the long haul, moving way past those vague aspirational statements and getting right into the hard operational practice. Let's get into it. So here's our roadmap for today. We'll start with the AI responsibility gap, then look at the pillars of responsible AI, the RAI maturity model, the 9 enablers of practice, the architecture of accountability, and finally, how AI integrity acts as a true differentiator. All right.
So as you can see, we are talking about responsible AI in the AI era, building trustworthy enterprise systems for a sustainable future. So here, the topic is responsible AI in enterprise and IT services. So as we saw in the video also, the double-edged sword of AI, right? So unprecedented value. AI is driving transformative economic and social impact across every global sector, from healthcare to finance, right? So everywhere. So what's the responsibility gap? So rapid innovation is outpacing safety benchmarks, leaving organizations exposed to unmanaged risk, which is very obvious and clear as we see many incidents happening. Emergent risk, algorithmic bias, data privacy breaches, and opaque decision-making are becoming critical enterprise liabilities, right? As we saw recently with OpenAI happening with the Face, there was a rogue agent which was going around. So that's all happening, and we need to be very, very careful about. So the current landscape, a fragmented frontier. So the challenge, right? A lack of consistent